Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 14th, 2026, and we're going to be getting our thyme seeds planted here. And this is the Angelo variety. I've never tried this before. It is supposed to have I've never tried this variety before. I have grown thyme before from seed, but just not this variety. It is supposed to have an orange flavor to it, and you can use it for making potpourris. You can also use it for flavoring your chicken and different things. So this is what the seeds look like here. Now I have not opened this up yet. They are very small, and I am not sure how this is going to work because sometimes the wind is blowing in through the greenhouse. So I'm hoping that these do not blow away. I did take this pack of seeds here and I chilled it for at least 2 weeks in the refrigerator before I'm going to plant it here. And I have my 4-pack here. This is filled with Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. And I'm just going to be doing one of these here. Now these germinate in about 14 to 28 days. And the germination temperature is about 70 degrees. Now these do need light to germinate, so we are going to be surface sowing these. Okay, so I did take some of the seeds out here, and like I said, I was planning on this to somewhat be a disaster. One seed did bounce out somewhere. I have no idea where it went. I'm not going to be able to find it with as small as what they are. So I'm going to be putting multiple seeds here. I got it there. Per cell, because of these being so small and I'm needing light to germinate. I want to make sure that I get enough of them in so that I get some of them to come up. And what I'll do is I'll remove the extra seedlings and I'll put them in something different when I separate them out. So I'm going to finish getting these planted here. Another thing that you can do is you can take your tag here and you can put the seed right on the edge of the tag there, and you can come over to your tray and just put it right in on top. So that is something else that you can do. And that is easier than trying to actually pick them up by hand. So I'm going to finish getting this sowed here and I'm going to come back and talk to you some more. Okay, so these are all sown here. And I'm just going to take my watering wand. It is set on a mist. If you don't trust using a mist on it, you can bottom water them by taking your container, setting it in a tray of water, letting it soak it up from the bottom, and then taking it out when it's moist on top. I do prefer to use the watering wand because it does help to get the seed next to the soil for good soil contact, for good rooting. So we're just going to go over and gently mist this. Go. And this is a perennial in zones 5 to 9, so I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. And this is going to be a perennial for my area. So when these start germinating, I'm going to come back and I am going to show them to you so you can see what they look like. And I put this down here on the heated floor here. You can see there's a lot of different stuff in here. I was busy planting today, and I don't like to waste space, so I try and use up my trays as much as I can. So the spinach is back there, and we also have our thyme in there that's planted. So when these start coming up, I'm going to come back in this video and I'm going to show them to you. So I am going to check on these every day to make sure that they are not drying out. And being that I pre-chill my seeds the way that I do, a lot of my stuff starts coming up before it's actually usually supposed to. So that's a good thing. That's nice when your stuff comes up early. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is April the 17th, and I was checking on the thyme here, I was checking on this flat of stuff here that I have planted, and the thyme is coming up. You can see here, so I'm going to be taking this one out of here, and we're going to be putting it up on the shelf in the greenhouse. Okay, so I put this up here on up out in the light of the greenhouse so that as these start growing, they don't grow tall and spindly, and they get the light that they need. And as you can see here, multiple ones are coming up in the cells. Like I said, I sowed these heavier, so these here will get separated out then, and they will get transplanted. So that's what we're going to do with our extra ones here. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.